Natuto po ako mag-makeup sa kakapanood ko sa YouTube. So, alam ko po kung ano yung ano yung maganda sa skin, anong pinaka best fitting for the people. So, ayun po, talagang naging passion ko siya. One of my dream to do din sa showbiz given the opportunity was to host. Takbo talaga ako sa Showtime, sayaw-sayaw ko doon. And sayaw ko pa nga po yung pang club lang. Pero hindi pa ako nagka-club. Pero imagine ko yun po yung pagsasayaw nila. I wanted to make a brand that is made because, for the people, made because of them, made for them, made para sa women and everyone from women to men. No gender classification. Pero that's why it's made cause. Kasi our slogan is made cause you deserve it. This started po 2019 actually as a small project lang, and then parang nagustuhan, and then nag-expand na po kami na nag-expand. Talagang nag-inspire din po sa akin my parents, and at the same time all the women around the world, kasi I want to help them to be super confident and as beautiful as possible. Dahil wala nga po rin ako masyadong budget sa malaking investment, maliit lang po kasi investment po dito, naghanap po ako ng product na feeling ko na kaya kong mag-invest with the money that I have. Parang 5,000 lang po. With kilay, like gusto ko po may kilay is always nice. Pero ayoko po yung parang masyadong ma-makeup. Gusto ko po natural pa rin siya. So may trend noon na parang naging famous yung tinatawag na brow soap. Ako po kasi yung brow soap, it's a nice concept. Gusto ko yung ginagawa niya sa eyebrows. Pero sabi ko parang, teka lang, parang gusto ko ibang formula. Ayoko yung binabasa ko pa yung sabon. And ayoko na parang sabon yung nilalagay sa eyebrows ko. So I wanted to make a formula na parang pomada. Alam niyo po ba yung pomada sa buhok? Gusto ko po yung formula na ganon. Pero I want it specifically for the brows kasi brow hairs are different from your hairs. Mas sensitive yung sa eyes. So kung naglagay tayo ng hairspray or pomada or wax, baka malagas yung eyebrow. So I was very specific, like yung gusto ko, it's very specific. And I asked around kung sino makaka-formulate, and yun, na-formulate naman po. Pero dumating po talaga sa ako pa yung nagre-repack, ako naggagawa ng packaging, ako po lahat talaga, yung design and everything, ako lahat. And that's why it was able na 5,000 lang po yung budget. 3 months, but you just have to start it. Okay, start lang. Ako po lahat nagbi-makeup sa lahat po, kahit po ABS-CBN Paul po yan, or Star Magic. YouTube lang po, nag-training po ako sa YouTube. Ang sweet nga rin po ng mga makeup artist dito, like si MK Kwa, si Julius po, lahat po ng mga celebrity makeup artist, sinasabi nila, huwag ka na magpa-makeup, ikaw na lang, mas magaling ka pa sa sarili mo, ikaw na. Dami po akong tinanungan, like lahat ng girlfriends, tinanungan ko po yan, lahat po ng mga makeup artists. Actually, sabi ko, subukan nyo nga yung product, gusto nyo ba, maganda ba? And sabi nila, oo, maganda yan, sige, push mo na yan. So, yun din po, nagtanong din po ako sa mga makeup artists and sa mga nakakaalam din. Georgina po, kasi sa kanya po yung Sunnies, and it's really, really nice. It's a nice local brand from how they transition to eyeglasses and then makeup. Kung international naman po, si Kylie Jenner. Para din yung mga A or B, they still wanna buy it. So, cute yung packaging, doon ako bumawi. Pero, without having to, the product itself, it's so nice din the product. Pero, bumawi din ako sa packaging. I sell it for 300, but since online, like Shopee and Lazada, meron konting patong. So, it's a little bit pricier there. But, yeah, I really made sure that the packaging is good for the eye din. So it's gonna make it or break it. So for me, if I invested on something, I'm willing to lose that na for this project of mine, Pero again, business has to be calculated risk. Before I made or created the products or made cause, I made sure it's unique in its own way. Bakit ka bibilin o bakit ikaw? Bakit ka pipiliin? Hindi po ako nag-focus doon sa mga kalaban, sa mga made na brands. focused on my own lane and made sure that it's uniquely unique by itself. Like everyone is unique.